Here's this chooser app. I don't know what that is, but it's going viral. So basically, if you need to do like some decisions, you can, with your friends in the group, you can use this app or maybe decisions yourself. So how it works, this app is just basically like a random finger selector. So you and your friends, like everyone, imagine you're a group of three, you want to decide what to do, like where to go, whatever. And then like instead of using any other apps, you just each of you put one of fingers in this app, and then this app decides which finger wins. So I'll just put like on my hand, so like imagine this is three fingers, and then there you have it, that finger was chosen. So it's pretty cool. And then yeah, this way you can just kind of decide like some things in a group, or even for yourself. You can imagine you have two things, you can't decide what to do, and then you just put two fingers, and then it's like, okay, if the left finger wins, I do that, if the right finger wins, I do that, and then you just do that, and then all right, so it's the left finger. So it's kind of very easy decision maker app to help you to make faster decisions on not that important things, I guess, but pretty fun. And then you can just change the theme. I guess here you can change all of these beautiful gradients. Then there are also settings where you can select how many winners you want to have, like vibration sounds. You can write a review. So yeah, quite cool app. Hope that's helpful.